Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz, from Good Day Agency in the Philippines under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak
Yes,
English?
ma'am.
Okay. Can you speak
Yes, ma'am.
English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. A little bit.
Okay. Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Olivia Cordova.
Sorry?
Olivia Cordova.
Oh, okay. So you are the Oliva Cordova niece. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia?
To to find work for my son needs, ma'am.
Okay. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Marjorie Kula. I live in Malandag, Malungon, Sarangani province. I am 26 years old and my religion is Roman Catholic and, and my birthday is April 5, 1998. My work experience is to take care of special child and also to housework
Okay.
and
Okay. So Marjorie, I need to know some few more details from you first. You are single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
no live in partner, mom. Yes, ma'am, live in partner.
You are single with live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My weight is 67, mom, and my height is 5'2".
Okay, so what about your educational background?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
Okay, in what course?
Education.
Education. So, what comes into your mind that you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
Um, um, for me, ma'am, because here in Philippines is very hard to to save money.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
What is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
She is 31 years old, ma'am,
Okay,
and
what is his occupation?
student, ma'am.
Student. Okay. So, you mentioned that you got a working experience according to your profile also. Way back 2015 to 2016, you work as a housemaid, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment?
First, ma'am, in my first work experience in General Santos, I take care of special child, and he is 26 years old, and also to um housework also, ma'am, to clean the house overall.
Okay, is she female or male?
Male, ma'am.
Okay, so while taking care of this disabled or special child, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so way back 2011, is it 2011 to 2012?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about 2015 to 2016?
I'm work in Iloilo City, ma'am. to take care
Okay.
elder
How old is the
and
elderly that you take care?
80 years old mom,
Female or male?
female.
Okay, so while taking care of this female, you do house chores also at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what? Can you elaborate?
Um, to clean her her room, ma'am, and to clean outside
Okay.
the house and inside the house, ma'am,
You
and
also do
cooking.
cooking? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Domestic helper is quite very far to what did you take a course which is education, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you need to get ready, you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have a 2 years contract. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, okay? And it's not 2 months and it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, okay? But during nighttime, after you finish your job for the whole day, you can have your phone and you will going to render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But if we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next day because you don't have the energy to work, you feel groggy due to misuse of mobile handphone, you sleep very late at night like 2 to 3 a.m. Very sorry to say, we will going to inform your employer that we will allow you to use your mobile handphone during nighttime only for 2 to 3 hours. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clarify in our initial interview about our terms and conditions so that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you don't have like to demand us about all these things. We don't want trouble. We don't want problem also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't give us problem because we already inform you all these things, okay? It's either
Yes,
you agree or if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here, yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, always remind yourself that this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations also. Malaysia also got their own law. Philippines also got their own law, okay? So we need to respect each other. Respect the culture of each other countries because this is not the Philippines, yeah?
Yes,
Respect the
ma'am.
employer, follow always like if there is any problem or any concerns, you inform your employer because you will be working for them for 2 years inside their premises, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Have a good day.